Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. If you guys are new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to do a little get ready with me type like sped up edition, just like a quick little 5-minute get ready with me, just some of my tips and tricks that I have kind of been doing when we have been in quarantine. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys like some of the products that I use and you take something from this. So just keep on watching and let's just get started. So the first thing that I do is I'm going to take sunscreen. I've really been loving this step. I just used the Super Goop one and I'm going to link everything down below, so don't worry. But I just take sunscreen and put that all over my face because that's super important. And you're actually getting a lot of radiation from anywhere you are, kind of, even if you're like by a window, so it's really important to not skip this step. Next, I'm just going to take this Clinique Moisture Surge and just put a little bit on my lips for some hydration. So I did prep my skin a little bit earlier. I washed my face and all that, so this is just some like things that I do before I do my makeup. I'm just going to take these Visine eye drops and put those in my eyes. I just feel like sometimes my eyes get a little red, so it's nice to kind of just keep them looking white. I'm going to go in with the Monat eye cream. This stuff is so good. So you're just going to go in with this 30-second miracle cream. This literally will just like lift your eyes up. It's insane. I've used so many eye creams and I just always come back to this one because it literally like instantly lifts your eyes. Like it makes it look like you got like eye filler or something. So now we're all prepped and ready. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with the Bye Bye CC cream, the IT Cosmetic one. I'm in the shade Medium Tan. I'm just gonna take a little bit, pump that on my face. I really try to like avoid under my eyes because I don't want to have it look cakey, so I usually will just be bare until I put the concealer. Next, I'm going to take the Estee Lauder concealer, the double wear one, and I'm going to mix that a little bit with the Born This Way concealer. I'm just gonna put a little bit under my eyes, nothing crazy. Blend that. Next, I'm just gonna take this translucent powder and blend that underneath my eyes. I'm just running out, so I need to like tap it. So I just curled my eyelashes, so now I'm going to go in with the MAC bronzer in the shade Give Me Sun, and I might mix that with like my Hoola bronzer or something. But right here, under cheekbone. I'm just going to contour my nose a little bit with the same bronzer. After that, I think I'm just going to take gonna do my eyebrows, and let's try this on camera. Alright, I'm going to do the rest off camera, but you guys get the gist. Just fill in a little bit, nothing crazy, just some of the sparses that you might have, and you know, just to achieve like a fuller look. Next, I'm just going to go in with the Give Me Brow, the Benefit, and I'm just going to brush these up a little bit. And then I'm also going to take this e.l.f. I don't even know, I think it's just a brow gel, but I have this with no side. And a little tip is to take clear soap, so like just like a hand soap, and setting spray, and you're gonna want to like rub that together, and it'll make like a little wax that will hold your eyebrows up in place for that like full look. If you don't like that, you can just skip this step, but I kind of have been like liking that little fullness thing going on, so I've just been doing that to enhance my eyebrows. Okay, next I'm going to go in with blush. I'm going to take the MAC Rosy Cheeks, and I'm going to mix this with the NARS Orgasm blush, and what should I use? I'm just going to use this Morphe M523 brush to put the blush on. Moving on from blush, I'm just going to take the Naked palette, and I'm going to use the colors Virgin and Sin, and then I'm going to pop that on my eyelids. Like, I don't even do anything, I just do it like messy, nothing precise. And after that, I'm going to take the Anastasia Modern Innocence palette, and I'm going to put the color Vermeer, it's called. This one and that one. I'm just gonna mix that on my eyelid. Then I'm gonna go in with the Stila Golden Topaz. It's like a shimmery bronze. I've used this before. I'm just going to put that on my crease. Next, I'm just going to take this Lorac palette and go in with the shimmer highlight. It's just like a plain white, and I'm going to put that under my eyes as well so that it doesn't crease anymore. And just to kind of brighten up my face. Next, I'm just going to take the Better Than Sex mascara and put that on my eyelashes. Okay, almost to the end here. And what is next? Highlight. So I'm actually going to show you guys a little trick. So I'm going to spray my face with this Morphe Set Refresh Mist. I'm gonna show you guys a trick. So you're gonna want to grab a blow dryer really quick, and you want to just blow dry your face. I don't know what it is, but something about the heat with the spray makes your face look this like glowy, just like makes your makeup look so good. So okay, so after that you're gonna want to just spray it again. I'm just gonna take the All Nighter spray. And that will literally set your face, and it just like does something to your face. So I've been doing that a little bit, and I just think it really helps melt the makeup and not look as cakey with the powders. After this dries, I'm just going to take my highlighter. I'm going to use the Starlit powder. I don't know what, oh, it's by Makeup Forever. And then I'm going to mix a little bit of the High Beam and put this on my cheekbones. Take this feather brush. I don't even know where this is from. I got it all at Ulta. I'm just going to put a little bit on my eyelids. To enhance your lips, to make them look fuller if you don't have like an eyeliner, use some bronzer. Let me do this like right here. Almost above your lip, and then just really smudge that in. And a little under. And that will really give you like a little poutier look. Just a little trick, super easy. Go in with lip injection. It's Dior Lip Glow color. I like messed it up, so I need to use my finger. And there we have it. This is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing kind of how I made this look up. It took me about like 10 minutes in total, but if I wasn't speaking and talking it through, it probably would have taken me a little bit less. But this is just perfect for making yourself feel a little bit better in the morning, and this is just what I have been doing to kind of make myself feel a little bit better when I want to put makeup on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope everybody's staying healthy and clean, and I'm gonna start posting every Friday and Sunday. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do Wednesdays and Sunday or Saturdays, I don't know yet, but I definitely am gonna start posting on 2 days a week consistently. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe, follow my Instagram if you guys haven't, all that stuff, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!